In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create work schedules in Hubstaff. To get started, make sure you're already signed into your Hubstaff account and looking at the main dashboard. From here, the first thing you'll need to do is go to the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that left sidebar, click on Calendar. This is the section where Hubstaff brings together scheduling and time-related planning tools. So it's the right place to begin if you want to organize upcoming work hours for your team. Once the calendar page opens, take a moment to look at the options available near the top of the page. You'll want to select the Schedules tab. This tab is specifically designed for shift planning, and switching to it will make sure you're working in the correct area for creating and managing work schedules. If you don't already see schedule-related options, double check that you're in the calendar section and not another area of the platform. After you've opened the Schedules tab, look for the Actions menu. Click Actions and then choose Create Shifts. This will open the shift creation workflow where you can begin setting up work schedules for the appropriate dates and team members. This is the key starting point for building a schedule inside Hubstaff, and it helps you move from simply viewing the calendar to actively assigning planned work time. As you go through this process, it's a good idea to make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization before creating shifts, especially if you manage more than one team. That can help prevent schedules from being created in the wrong place. It's also helpful to confirm that you're working in the correct week or date range so the shifts you create line up with your intended schedule. And that's the basic path for creating work schedules in Hubstaff. Open Calendar from the left sidebar, switch to the Schedules tab, then go to Actions and click Create Shifts. Once you're in that setup screen, you'll be ready to continue building out your team's schedule based on your needs. If you're following along, take your time with each click so you can get comfortable with where everything is located. After doing it once or twice, the process becomes very quick and easy to repeat whenever you need to plan upcoming shifts.